Warning: the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, update on the test drive, guys. Don't think we're gonna go anywhere anytime soon. Started leaking coolant everywhere. So yeah, just gonna tuck her back in here for now. Figure out where this leak is coming from. And get back to you guys on the test drive. Alright, where are we leaking from? Ooh. Looks like, is that the water pump? Looks like it's coming from underneath the water pump. So, yeah, for sure got a leaky water pump. You can see it dripping right there.
Oh, hell yeah.
I guess we're ordering a water pump. This thing needs a tune-up.
Thermostat housing.
Thermostat housing. Needs a tune-up anyway, so we'll get plugs, wires, distributor cap. Maybe even a new radiator. And then, we'll take it for a test drive.
Alright, we got the water pump all put back together. Had to get a new pump part and reuse the old housing because we could not find the old housing. Fortunately, 2 bolts snapped off in that motherfucker, so had to tap that out. Give a quick shout out to Cody and the Fody.
And he popped it.
Whoa!
Yes!
He fucking sent it. Saeed got the pop. Look at the zoom in. Look at the zoom in. Damn! Look at them cords, boy. Look at them cords. Are you proud of yourself?
Oh, that's your fucking phone. Like, what the hell is that noise? For letting us borrow his tap and die set. Freaking lifesaver over here, man. Like, I would invest in one of these. Then just cleaned up the mounting bolts, so time to put it back in.
Alright guys, so we got everything figured out. Resealed the thermostat housing. No more leaky water pump, hopefully. Got our nice coolant overflow tank right here with this custom zip tie job by our boy Smalls. Okay, with a little dinky bracket that don't work. So right on the zip ties. I'm about to fire it up. Let her rip! Oh yeah. Don't leak no more. Look at that. Alright guys, part 2 of taking the Rusty Rabbit for his maiden voyage.
Get the fuck out of the way!
Let's see what it do.
Definitely goes backwards.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dante can't drive stick. Don't stall it. And that's the last you'll ever see of Smalls. He's nervous. He's not used to driving stick. He's still a newbie at this.
I drove stick before he did.
Damn. Well, this is the same guy that managed to kill the clutch in my Accord back in the day. Look at him going in reverse.
He's told me 2 stories in the last 2 weeks about lessons driving stick.
Yeah, he's always killing cars that are stick. This rabbit's not gonna last long, people. What happened? Why you ain't keep going? Why you scared? Don't smack my Camry.
There it goes.
But does it go around the block?
Is it leaking?
Hey, no water.
I think we're good, Jagoo. I think we're good.